Number 1. The 1969 Ford Fairlane 500 station wagon, priced at $7,500, mileage 106,700 miles. This 1969 Fairlane wagon is powered by a 302 V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission. The vehicle runs and drives well. It has been kept in a climate-controlled garage to maintain its condition. The wagon comes with a clean title in hand and includes some paperwork and documents for the car's history. It is being sold as is, with no trades accepted, and is offered for cash only. Located in Hillsborough, North Carolina. Number 2. The 1969 Pontiac Grand Prix, priced at $10,000, mileage 76,000 miles. This 1969 Grand Prix is a numbers-matching classic, featuring its original 400 V8 engine, TH400 automatic transmission, and 3.23 rear gearing. The drivetrain is unaltered, and the engine bay remains unmolested. Recent work includes a fully rebuilt front and rear suspension with new components and heavy-duty sway bars, completed just 1,000 miles ago. The car also features a new exhaust system, booster master cylinder, radiator, and water pump. It is equipped with front disc and rear drum brakes, though a rear wheel cylinder does have a minor leak. Braking remains safe for daily driving. The interior is in excellent condition, with near-perfect seats and dash. Floors, trunk, and frame are solid and rust-free. The vehicle sports Rally 2 wheels and comes with all AC components installed, including a new compressor, though the AC system is not currently functional. While the car runs and drives well, it does require some bodywork and is priced accordingly. The seller also offers a 1971 Grand Prix with additional parts for sale. Open to trades for other classic cars, trucks, 4x4 square body vehicles, 1968 to 70 Charger parts, dump trailers, or car haulers. Located in Doolittle, Missouri. Number 3. The 1970 MGB GT, priced at $9,500, mileage 112,000 miles. This 1970 MGB is a well-maintained British classic, featuring a 4-cylinder engine paired with a manual transmission. The car includes an alloy hood, restored wheels, and new Michelin tires. The distributor has been upgraded to an electronic ignition, and the cylinder head has been replaced with a genuine MG head, not aftermarket. Recent updates include new upholstery on the seats, a new water pump, and a serviced radiator. The twin carburetors have been rebuilt, as well as the brake system. Additionally, a new fuel tank has been installed. The car comes with documentation dating back to 1971, including its first service record. The engine was rebuilt at 60,000 miles, and the car is currently used as a daily driver 3 to 4 times a week. Located in Richmond Annex, California. Number 4. The 1971 Ford Torino GT convertible, priced at $12,500, mileage 990,000 miles. This 1971 Torino is powered by a big block 390 V8 engine. It features short headers and a mild cam, giving the car a deep, aggressive exhaust note. The automatic transmission ensures smooth driving. The car runs and drives well, with all systems reported to be functional. It comes with a clean title. Price is $12,500 negotiable. Located in Rochester Hills, Michigan. Number 5. The 1967 Chrysler Newport, priced at $5,500, mileage 120,000 miles. This 1967 Newport features a 383 big block engine paired with a 727 automatic transmission. The transmission was rebuilt a few years ago, and the car runs and drives well. It's equipped with power steering and power brakes. Recent upgrades and repairs include new 18-inch American racing wheels with about 1,000 miles on them, all new brakes and wheel bearings, a new Flowmaster dual exhaust system, a new 4-core aluminum radiator, and a carburetor and intake upgraded to a 4-barrel with a quick fuel carb. The car comes with new shocks, not yet installed. The body shows signs of wear, with some areas needing bodywork and paint, possibly still the original finish. The interior also requires attention but remains functional. All lights, gauges, wipers, and the horn are operational, and the heating system works well. It's a good project car, no trades. Asking $5,500 or best reasonable offer. Located in Shreve, Ohio. Number 6. The 1959 Ford Fairlane, priced at $122,000. From the seller's description, this 1959 Fairlane features a two-tone blue and white exterior, with a matching two-tone blue and white interior. The car has received a fresh paint job that enhances its classic appearance. It runs, drives, and stops as expected, whether you're taking it to car shows or enjoying weekend drives. This Fairlane offers a balance of style and function. Unfortunately, no other information was provided by the seller. Located in Irvine, Kentucky. Number 7. The 1972 Oldsmobile Cutlass S, priced at $14,800, mileage 199,000 miles. This 1972 Cutlass S has been family-owned since it was purchased new in March 1972. Powered by the original 350 rocket V8 engine, the car has accumulated 199,000 original miles and comes with complete service records and repair documentation. The car is in good condition and has been used occasionally for parades and local events. The seller is offering it for sale due to limited time to enjoy the car, emphasizing that it deserves an owner who will drive and appreciate it. The price is firm. Showings are by appointment only, and test drives will be limited. No trades, no shipping, and cash-only transactions. Located in Carroll, Ohio. Number 8. The 1962 Ford Galaxy 500, priced at $14,000. This 1962 Galaxy comes with a 390 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car includes air conditioning. Originally from Georgia, it is described as a good car by the seller, with further details available upon inquiry. The vehicle is offered for cash only. Serious buyers are encouraged to call the seller directly to discuss or schedule a viewing. Located in Simpsonville, Kentucky. Number 9. The 1970 Chevrolet Monte Carlo, priced at $115,000. Music. This 1970 Monte Carlo features a 454 big block engine board 60 over and equipped with a brand new Edelbrock carburetor. The car has undergone interior restoration by Nashop H Street in New London, Missouri, with custom touches visible in the photos. While the body is in overall good shape, the hood has a spot of damage from a previous carburetor fire. Despite this, the vehicle presents well. Located in Palmyra, Missouri. Number 10. The 1970 Pontiac Lemons, priced at $15,500. This 1970 Lemons is equipped with a 350 engine and an automatic transmission. A solid, driver-quality classic, it runs and drives well, making it a great option for cruising. Located in Canton, Ohio. Number 11. The 1972 Oldsmobile Vista Cruiser, priced at $115,000, mileage 69,000 miles. This 1972 Vista has been stored inside for the past 24 years and has only 69,000 original miles. It is powered by a Rocket 350 V8 engine, with many parts replaced, including a Flowmaster dual exhaust and a Holley performance carburetor. The car runs great with a solid engine, and the body and paint are in good condition, though not flawless. It comes with good tires and maintenance records from the past 24 years. Located in Yuma, Arizona. Number 12. The 1965 Ford Galaxy 500 LTD, priced at $14,000, mileage 100,000 miles. This 1965 Galaxy is powered by a 352 FE8 with a 4-barrel carburetor and a cruise-matic transmission. It features power steering and manual drum brakes. The car has newer wheels and tires, and while it has some minor rust, mainly bubbles under the paint, it runs strong and starts right up. The seller has driven it on long trips with no issues. The car is considered a driver-quality vehicle. The seller notes that it doesn't have air conditioning and that any negotiations should take place in person. There is also a collection of parts available for purchase separately, including a 445-stroker FE engine with dual quads, a new C6 transmission, and a 3.70 LSD Currie rear end. $14,000 or best offer, cash only, in person. Located in Temple, Texas. Number 13. The 1969 Buick Skylark, priced at $2,300, mileage 83,000 miles. This 1969 Buick Skylark is powered by a 445 engine with a 4-barrel carburetor and dual exhaust. It comes with aluminum racing wheels, but the factory rims and tires are also included. The vehicle has some issues, including a leaking water pump, a replacement is provided, and tears in the front seats. The car has had 2 owners and features a clean title. Located in Coleman, Michigan. Number 14. The 1958 MGA Roadster, priced at $116,000, mileage 4,500 miles, manual transmission. This 1958 MGA Roadster is 80% original, with no dents or rust, and includes all the extras. The car features a 4-cylinder engine and a soft top in great condition, complete with side windows and a bikini cover. The car drives great and comes with a clean title. Located in La Jolla, San Diego, California. Number 15. The 1966 Oldsmobile Delta 88 Holiday, priced at $177,000, mileage 7,379 miles. This 1966 Delta 88 comes equipped with the original 425 engine and TH400 transmission. The carburetor was rebuilt a couple of months ago, and the car has original mileage. The front and back seats have some rips, but the car runs great and retains its original radio. An aftermarket box houses a newer radio. Located in Rockingham, North Carolina. Number 16. The 1964 Mercury Marauder, priced at $17,500, mileage 72,382 miles. This 1964 Mercury Marauder is powered by a 390 V8 engine, paired with a 3-speed Mercomatic transmission. The car offers a smooth driving experience with power windows, power steering, and power brakes. The body is solid, and the chrome is in excellent condition. It includes the original jack and manual. The owner is asking $17,500, but may consider trades for a nice truck or other interesting vehicles. Located in Lapeer, Michigan. Number 17. The 1962 Chevrolet Impala 4-door, priced at $14,500, mileage 145,600 miles. This 1962 Impala, according to the seller, is in very good condition and is powered by the original 283 engine. The car is equipped with power steering. Number 18. The 1955 Oldsmobile 88, priced at $1,700. This 1960 Bel Air was fully restored 5 years ago, with a complete overhaul of the paint, interior, and powertrain. The car is powered by a 383-stroker engine, balanced with all new internals and a TH350 transmission. The exterior features Craigar rims with gunmetal spokes and polished lips, and the bumpers have been re-chromed. The rear quarter moldings will need replacement as they couldn't be reworked, though all other trim pieces are available and most have been repolished. The vehicle was completely disassembled during restoration, including the trunk, door jambs, and dash, all of which were painted. Located in New Jersey, AS.